Right, yes, straight to the main point. I do it my way. Yes, and that's right. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and today we are going to see something that is very, very interesting. We have been seeing this and we have been doing it to the adult, and I realized that it can still do with the kids. Yes, and this is going to be the natural tango for kids. So I'd like you guys to give me your attention so that we can do this. And please, if it's your first time to subscribe on this channel, please just know you're on the right track. And here we do all types of hairstyles. Yes, and we do them every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So today we are going to be seeing on how to do the inside corners. Oh, sorry, my God. We're going to be seeing on how we can do the natural tangle for kids. And natural tangle for kids, if I would say that, it's the hair that is very, very comfortable for the kids, since it is in a kinky format. That means somebody is going to be able to wash it anytime. Somebody is going to be able to lock it, as I'm going to be showing you the system. So this is how you start it, and then when you're done starting it, you start the twisting. So now what I would say about the natural tangle is that we no longer start the twisting like we used to start it those days ago, because we realized that sometimes it limits. Yes, when you start in the other way around, when it comes to locking, it becomes very, very hard. So that's why we do this, that we started with the threes from down. Yes, that would be the knotless way, and then you start the twisting after like a quarter inch, and then you start the plating. So this one gives it gives you the room of repairing after, and then it is the very, very protective method ever. So that's why I would advise you guys that whenever you're going to learn from this video, that please try to make the practice with this. So the other thing is, whenever I'm plating like these kids, I always apply this molding gel because it helps me a lot. Yeah, it helps me a lot because it collects all the hair together. Though I would like you to use it, I wouldn't like you to use it in a bad way. Since it collects all the hair, you might want to collect all the hair, and you collect even the baby hair, yet it is not good at all to collect to do it with the baby hair. It's not good at all. When you're plating kids, you just have to be very, very you just have to be very careful when it comes to those baby hair. And this is how we start. You just have to bring your kinky. This is Afro Kinky, those ones who know it. And you just have to make sure it's Afro Kinky of Darling, Uganda. So that is what I always use. And then you remove the baby hair, because that one is not supposed to be there. You see, because of the molding gel, we had already collected all the hair, so you just have to remove it, because you don't have to apply it there. And then you just come and separate this into 3 portions like you saw it in the first place. And then I just hold this here, and I start with the 3 from down, just like this. I think you can see this detail. It is very clear for you. You do this, you see. Whenever I do my things, I make sure that I do them from inside. Yes, from inside, because this one help the hair to grow from inside, and it doesn't break at all. Like, it protects the hair. Then when I'm done with that, I just have to come and since it's just a 1/4 inch, and I lock here. Then after locking there, then we start with the twisting. Then we start with the twisting, as you have seen the way I was twisting it. Another thing, what I would like to advise you guys who are plaiting kids, let's try to think about it before, like, these kids, sometimes we have been doing these other things like cornrows and them, or maybe those strand braids, like, but we should always consider one thing, that to make things that are very comfortable for them. Because now I did my research, and I realized that kinky is very, very nice, though some people fear to do it just because they do it badly and professional, like they do it, and it makes the people start feeling pain after doing it. But kinky is the best thing that everyone would do. So when you're plating it on a kid, you just have to be very, very careful. You just have to be very, very careful when you're plating it on a kid, because you plate it according to like the age, you understand. And I would advise that when you're doing it, make sure at least you count for these kids, not to overpack for them, like not to overpack their head, and still try to get the volume that is going to be favorable for them, not just like plating the way we have been plating adults. Yeah, and you find the kink is a lot on the kid's hair, on the kid's head, and then it will make her uncomfortable. So I would like you guys, at least when you're plating, try to make sure you count. Maybe we would say that you should count the pieces that you're using, because now for the adults, sometimes I use 3 pieces, but when it comes to kids, I'll make sure that I use not more than 1. I can use a half, or a half, half and a quarter for the kid. Yes, so it means that is going to be very, very light for them. It's going to be very, very light for them. So that's why I would advise you guys, please make sure you do that. Yes, make sure you do that. It's going to work for us and for you. And other thing is that whenever we keep on doing this, we always need practice, because it always makes us perfect whenever we do practice. Yes, when you see something, try to practice it, because when we keep on practicing, we become perfect. So this is our natural tangle, and what I would say about this, it is very nice for kids, just because it kinky, when is with natural hair, there is the way that it combines together and it can match compared to the straight hair. So we all know that kids mostly, they always have, most of them, they always have natural hair. And here in Africa, it's hard, like, to find a kid that who have retouched or relaxed their hair. We all go natural for our kids. So now that means kinky can be the best option for their hair. Why? Because they like playing a lot, and if they keep on that playing, that means this kinky can be nice. And still we need to choose for them those good colors, because I always choose the off black, because I know off black is always perfect for them. The off black is always perfect for them, in that whenever they even if they go play in dust, yes, it won't show that it's dirty, because for it is already off black and it looks dirty, you understand. So that's why I always choose that color for them. And for all that, guys, my name is Maurice, the crochet master. And still, I would like to thank you, everyone who is watching me. I love my fans from United States of America. Thank you so much. Those ones in Ghana, UK. Yes, those ones I saw. Others were from Guinea. Yes, Kenya, Tanzania, Nairobi, Nigeria. Wow, that is, I think, is my second country, yeah, to watch me. Yes, so thank you so much, and please endeavor to come. Hope that you're learning a lot from me, and please, if you really feel it, you can go right now in my comment section. Yes, type wherever you are, tell me what you are thinking about this video, and you let me know. So for now, guys, let me sign out, but that is our anti-itch that we always apply after the plating. So let me sign out. See you in my other next tutorial. Yes, and the courses are also going on our website. You can visit and see and pick a lesson that you'd want to do, so that we keep in touch. For now, let me sign out. Bye bye. See you.